Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study math easy. Start by building a strong foundation. Truly grasp each concept before advancing. Don't rush through new material. Break down larger problems into smaller, more manageable parts. This approach makes daunting tasks feel less overwhelming and helps you focus. Regularly review past lessons to solidify your understanding and connect new ideas to what you already know. Active learning is crucial for math success. Don't just read examples, work through them yourself, step by step. Consistent practice, perhaps solving 10 problems daily, builds confidence and speed. Try explaining concepts aloud to yourself or a friend. This process reveals gaps in your understanding and helps solidify the material in your mind, making it easier to recall during tests. True math mastery comes from understanding the why behind the formulas, not just memorizing steps. Look for patterns and connections across various topics. Math is interconnected. When facing complex problems, draw diagrams or graphs to visualize the information. This can simplify the problem and often reveals the solution path more clearly, making abstract ideas concrete and easier to solve. Regularly review your notes and create a concise summary sheet of key formulas and concepts. This acts as a quick reference and aids memory retention. Don't hesitate to seek help from teachers, tutors, or reputable online resources when you encounter difficulties. Everyone gets stuck sometimes, and asking for help is a sign of strength. And for more great deals, including a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker, check out the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.